Hi guys, it's Edye with Little House of Beans. So today I am super excited not only to go into TJ Maxx and shop, but to also find 10 useful items or just gift ideas for campers and RV'ers. I know I will probably find tons in here. Let me know in the comments below what you think of my choices and what kind of treasures that you were able to find at TJ Maxx. I'm ready to shop. Alright guys, this is item number 1 and I found microfiber cleaning cloths, and this is a pack. This particular package has 10 and the price $4.99 for 10. Isn't that fabulous? And then along the same lines are these are reusable drying cloths. Let's see, $4.99. These are great. I would use them for a quick cleanup in the kitchen or the bathrooms. So item number 2 are these broom and mop organizers, which are great. See, they're for obviously brooms, mops. Love it. And you can either screw them in, or I would suppose you could use like a 3mm tape. But these are great. Put it, put it in the bathroom or wherever you have a little wall or space. And this is $6.99. Nice. Item number 3, guys, are these gorilla ties. Now, look at this. Isn't this great? You can make sure your bikes are extra secure on your bike racks. Tie some hoses or, whatever you guys have on your RV that's connected that you don't want loose, nice and tidy. These gorilla ties are a little longer and bigger. They're a set of 8 and they are $7.99, and these are a little shorter and they go for $3.99. Item number 4 find at TJ Maxx. I'm going to group these two together. So one's a 3-piece tactical set and one's a bright LED that you can hang in the tents or in your RVs, and this has a little headlamp, a flashlight, and another little lantern. This one is, let's see, $19.99, and this little handy bright is $6.99. Okay, item number 5 at TJ Maxx are these collapsible pet travel bowls, and these are great. I actually have a couple of these. So you have your bigger size and your smaller ones, and you just push down or up and they just obviously collapse, and you're able to make them bigger or smaller depending upon how big or small your dog is, how much water you want to put in. So these are a great find, and the bigger ones are $5.99. And the little smaller ones are, let's see, $3.99. Okay, so item number 6 for your pooch are these little steps. Now my dogs are small and I have to actually give them a little boost up into our bed, but this is great. This brand is Tahari. They're very soft and extremely light. And the price on these, $29.99. Now obviously these don't collapse, but I did want to include them because they're super lightweight. So this is a great find, these little pet steps. Look what kind of treasure I found. Item number 8 is this Coleman collapsible little cot for your little guy, indoor and outdoor. This particular one holds up to 50 pounds. And let's see the price on this. Love this. Let's see, $19.99. Number 9 item is this in-sink dish drainer. Now I happen to like it a lot. Obviously space is at a premium in your RV, and counter space is very limited. So I like the idea that this just fits on the bottom of the sink. I really like that, and it is small, so I'm assuming that it would fit most sinks. This is $5.99, And there is a picture of it being stored upright. That's pretty nice. And it has little feet so it won't touch the sink as it's drying. I do like it. Nice. Okay guys, number 10 item are these flexible cutting mats, and they're great. They're flat. They bend a little bit. I'm sure you can find room where to store them. And for you guys who cook a lot, like I do, these I love, and they're very light. This one is $3.99. This one is $5.99, a little bigger, and you get 4. And this is a 3-piece for $3.99. Okay, item number 11. I have a feeling I will not leave TJ Maxx today. I keep finding things as I'm walking through the aisle. These are collapsible measuring cups. Look how great that is. Like that. So you got a quarter, third, a half, and a full cup. And these cost $5.99. So item number 12 I found is a Coleman 70-quart cooler. Now I'm not saying, you know, this exact cooler everyone will like, but I am saying that TJ Maxx has some extremely great finds. So this is Coleman 70 quart. It is $39.99, and it has 4 little cutouts for your cans or drinks. And it looks really huge. It looks deep inside. So that's the Coleman. Okay guys, item 13 are these little plastic refrigerator storage containers, and they come in all shapes, all sizes, and they're perfect. They're plastic, they're lightweight, easy to use. So as you're traveling down the road, your little tomatoes aren't moving all over the shelf. So these are great, and they're all obviously different prices. Yeah. This one is $2.99. These are ones for eggs that are $5.99. So look at all this you can choose from. All right, this is item 14. I'm thinking it's 14. I'm starting to lose track of how many items I'm finding here that are perfect for campers and RV'ers. This is a collapsible dish rack, and it's super, super cute. And it's about, I don't know, about an inch, and it opens up to maybe 5-6 inches. I like that. And this is $9.99. And this is for someone who doesn't like that in sink drying rack that I did show you. I forgot what item that was, but I'm sure Stu will put a little information item thing in the corner to let you know what item it was for the other. So this is nice. I think I'll get it. So that was my trip to TJ Maxx, and there's just tons of items to show you, not enough time in the day. But the purpose of this video was to let you know that there are other stores, other options to get awesome, cool things at reasonable prices for your RV, camper. I mean, I love that store. I love the treasure hunt. I love finding things. So if you enjoyed this video, show these pigtails some love, smash that like button and notification button. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing, because it will definitely help our little house of beans grow. Thanks for watching, and thanks for sticking with us. Have a beautiful day. We will see you soon.